Dispatch aware. How may I assist you?
Could you just get the call? This is fired. 4 shots fired in West 10th and Main.
A bar in the Flats shut down after 6 people were shot nearby.
There is a high probability it had nothing to do with the bar whatsoever.
Since that September shooting, the News 5 investigators have followed through, uncovering how the decision was made. And tonight, what else happened at the bar?
We are learning much more about problems the city of Cleveland blames on Play Bar and Grill.
In a text obtained by News 5 investigator Sarah Buttison, Mayor Justin Bibb quickly ordered the bar to be shut down after a shooting following the Browns opener. And Sarah, this is the first time we're hearing about some of these incidents.
It is, Tara. Cleveland is now asking a judge to dismiss the bar's complaint. We're going to show you now all of the incidents the city says show the bar is a safety problem. Surveillance video from Play Bar and Grill shows what happened after the shooting on the east bank of the Flats following the Cleveland Browns home opener. We first told you Tuesday. Within minutes, Mayor Justin Bibb texted 3 senior staff members. Use every department to shut this place down. If we get sued, we get sued. And the city did get sued. Now they want the case dismissed. In their motion, the city provides police documents from 6 incidents to show the shooting was part of a bigger problem. In June, a parking lot owner across the street complained one of their patrons pulled a gun on the valet. July 5th, there was a call about a shooting inside the bar. July 12th, a woman said she was attacked by several other women outside the bar. Then, in August, a man seen pushing security staff refused to leave the bar. Police say he spit on pedestrians and was arrested for disorderly conduct. That same night, police got a call about a big fight breaking out. Finally, a woman said she was jumped by several other women while walking to Play on the same day as the shooting.
Not right to be blaming the businesses of downtown for the safety concerns of the city.
Play's owner, David Hill, told us Mayor Bibb's text message shows his bar was unfairly targeted. After all, the September shooting and 3 other incidents happened outside the bar.
What does that tell you?
He didn't care. He just didn't care. He basically said, I'm going to do what I want to do.
What is troubling to me here is that if the shooting took place outside of the bar, then there is a high probability it had nothing to do with the bar whatsoever.
Subodh Chandra, a civil rights attorney and the city's former law director, questions the bar's liability for something that happened off its property. Police have yet to connect the shooting to the bar. They say it's part of the ongoing investigation.
We're just wondering why the mayor won't talk to us about this. Is he here?
And 3 weeks later, Mayor Bibb has refused to answer our questions about his order to shut down the bar.
Whatever the judge decides may not matter much for Play's future in the Flats. A few days after the shooting, their landlord terminated their lease. He said he warned them twice this summer after other acts of violence, they could get kicked out. Damon, Tara?
Sarah, thank you.